We remove the back cover. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the screws from the middle frame. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. Very carefully, we remove the speaker. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.